put that for movie theater. There's another chest in there. Lisa, I'm just trying to get this first. Thank you. The house phone. Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big back family, also known as the Costin family. Today is Martin Luther King Day, and we are chilling and vibing out as a family.
There's somebody in there. What? Is that a wolf?
Yes.
Right now, they are currently playing Apex. Oh, is this Apex or Fortnite?
This is Fortnite.
Excuse me, they're playing Fortnite. I always get them confused.
But they're like the same thing. Correction.
Right, Lisa, right.
I'm correct or not. Come here.
And yeah.
Do they still have cars?
Come see you later.
Love you, see you later.
Where are you going?
I'll probably go to the gym later on if you're interested.
Yeah, she is. For $65 a month, she's very interested.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Let me see.
I don't like that kind of stuff.
You'd never eat that?
Hell no.
Is it just because of the color of it, or you just think
Yeah, I've seen like stuff like that. Like when the buns are like red and stuff.
you think it has a funky taste to
I
it,
feel
or you
like it
just
would
think?
be gross if it has
They're right
that
over
color.
there.
Comment down below what y'all think.
I'm not into that either.
All right, y'all. Now Brooke is playing Spider-Man. Say hey, Brooke. Mom. Say hey, Shyla. I guess she don't want to say hey, y'all. Comment down below.
I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm not sacrificing anything.
Shyla saying she's gonna miss me when I go to college. Is that what you were saying, Shyla? You're right.
If you took my stuff out, why didn't you just put it back? My pictures, could you put them back neatly the way they were, please? That's why I don't want anybody, and you know, right there. That's what I'm talking about.
What?
It's common sense. If you mess with something, you put it back. You don't just leave it out.
Tell her, Mom.
Cindy! Don't touch it.
Mom's on her cleaning. As always, up and at 'em.
Excuse me.
touch. Stop doing that.
And Brittany's in here watching TV.
Oh, so you're hungry, huh? Yes. Oh, well, I'm not.
What are you watching, Brittany?
I had a home cooked
Ruby
meal.
Bridges, and I've been crying the whole time.
Oh.
This
Comment
is why I
down,
don't watch this stuff. Pisses me off.
comment down below if you guys get super emotional at movies too. Especially Movie Justice. Yes, so it is Martin Luther King Day and Brittany's watching Ruby Bridges. She tried to get Brooke to watch it with her, but she said she keeps sneaking off. But this is one of those things. It always hits home, you guys. Gotcha! I told my mom this is a new summer jam, y'all. Should have seen her face. Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family.
Gang, gang, gang.
Like mom said, get subscribed. Thanks for tuning in with us today.
Don't show my
Dad
face.
went shopping
I'm in
and
these
we are
streets.
putting away the groceries.
Yeah, you need some.
Brian just got
Take
off
the
of
bubbles
work,
out.
hardworking man. Say what up, Brian.
What's up, guys?
Yes,
Yeah,
and
because he got food poisoning. He stayed at work.
But,
Not me.
I know. He's so hardworking, his
Yeah,
job
he
made
knows.
him stay there when he threw
She
up.
said she don't like.
Comment down below, y'all.
She just like the chicken.
And Dad, how was work today?
It's alright.
It was all right. He just came home, brought some groceries, got straight off of work, and brought his family some groceries.
I told you to eat.
Y'all give him a round of applause in them comments. Just a quick little sneak peek at some things Dad bought on his way home from work.
Paul Angel, Dad?